Pawpaw's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. This is going to be swarm number 79, 2024. This came from Peace and Plenty. He wasn't able to get a video on it. Don't know how long they were there. So once again, we're going to find out what we got together. I don't know. Hopefully it's not as overgrown as that last one we installed was. Can never tell. No, it's a small one. It's gonna stay in the new. I don't know how long it'll be in there, but we're gonna do a new install on these. So that ain't gonna be too terribly bad. I just need to grab a bottom board for these. So we're gonna stay right in the nuke box. Definitely got a laying queen. She's laying up decent. They're drawing some comb. Single eggs. Pretty. Good start. There's queen. Right there looking somewhere to lay. I'm going to give her some empty drone frames so she can build on up. So, 2 frames of bees. Not real impressive. Still plenty of time in North Carolina we're at to build up. That's swarm number 79, Pawpaw's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. Please like and subscribe.